catch them all. We gotta catch them all.
Guys,
what you got?
We are on a hunt for the Charizard, yeah?
Show the box.
So I got a bit possessed.
Show the box.
I ordered this from
Show
Japan.
the box. He's possessed, look.
Boom.
Wait, we
The
can't see that. I'm
Japanese
gonna turn it
edition.
around.
Whoa.
Show it. Open
We
it.
good.
25 edition.
25th anniversary edition.
Open it.
They have, I believe, 18 to 16 booster packs in here.
Open it, man.
It has to be a Charizard in it. If it's not, I'm gonna switch.
I wanna see a Charizard.
We're opening this now. Look at this. We've opened it. From seal to open. I got my sleeves ready just in case. So, as you can see, it's a nice little 16 booster packs. Look at this. Look how many we got.
Oh wow, there's 16 in there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Wow.
16 booster packs. You ready?
Do you think?
Is it first pack magic? Is it going to be a first pack magic? I don't know.
Do you think there'll be a Charizard in there?
First pack magic. You ready?
Let's find out.
Guaranteed. I can see there's something in there. So energy. Oh shit.
What is it?
Oh, we got the whole set.
Oh wow.
Look. It makes the whole Pikachu. Look.
I can't see it.
Look. It's a special edition thing. Here, look. It makes it.
Oh wow. Yo, show me that. That looks good. Look at this. So it makes
We're already on a good. That's actually a good start.
That looks
it's
so good.
It's actually not a bad start.
Wow.
We're actually not on a bad start. Yo, let's go. Come on.
Wow.
That's not a bad start. Not a bad start at all. Second pack magic. Let's go. If we hit this Charizard, oh my god, I am gonna lose my fucking mind. So 1, 2, 3. Trainer.
Fair enough. Keep going. Don't worry about that. Oh, actually, yeah, put them away. Be safe.
Put this one in there. I'm gonna sleeve them up anyway. So we opened 2 packs. We have 14 packs left. Can we pull a Charizard? If we don't, I am gonna lose my fucking mind. But I got a feeling there is one Charizard in here. 1, 2. Ooh, Lugia reverse. Not a bad card. Not a bad card at all. Let's go again. I've become so precise as like cutting these now.
Man, how many have you cut already?
1,
Cut 2,
2, 3. Ooh!
Oh, whoa!
It's a little flying Pikachu.
A flying
We're getting
Pikachu.
quite a lot of Lugias. Lugia or whatever. We are picking quite a few of those. But
where's the Charizard? Come on! We need a Charizard.
did we pull it? I don't know. You tell me. So 25. Oh, I thought. I actually thought. You know what? But I think that's the rare. So we keep the rest of them on.
That's fine.
Pretty calm. Mate, I literally become precision.
Oh, who are we playing? Come on.
1, 2, 3.
Who's that? Someone. Not bad. This one's good.
That's Palkia.
Lugia's good.
Palkia, Lugia, man.
Lugia's very nice.
Hey, look.
Go on. Keep going.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Another Pikachu.
That's a nice Pikachu.
We've got a couple of those.
We've got a couple of
We can get rid of them. It's not a problem. Sell them off. Anyone wants to buy any Pikachus, let me know. Got a few here. Energy. Ooh, that's a nice card. That's actually a nice card.
Wow.
I don't know what the name is. It's like one of them, that dog or something like that, right?
That's good. That was very nice.
Even I don't know, man. 1, 2, 3. Mew. We got a Mew, bro.
We have a Mew.
We got this. Though.
Wow, look at that! 25th edition Mew. And it's got 25th on it as well. Well, they all got 25th on it, but mine. That's a Mew right there.
I am very.
Don't worry, still got packs. He wants a Charizard. He's down for the Charizard.
Another Mew.
Another Mew.
3 pack. Look.
Wow.
I've got 3.
Okay.
Why are we getting bare Pikachu?
Okay.
What the hell is Pikachu? Like we got so many Pikachu.
Pikachu
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
if you
7,
like
8.
Pikachu, like.
I don't know. We're getting quite a
If
few.
you like Pikachu,
Pikachus.
hit the like button.
Can we get this Charizard?
Go. What we got?
Nothing in there. No hits in there. We got a trainer.
Let me open these last four.
Nah.
The camera.
You sure?
Give me that. Let me try.
Man, what is going on? If
You got it, yeah?
last
Look
five.
at the camera.
You got 5. Last
Look at that. Look at the camera.
Whoa, that was bare close.
What you done?
He's cutting it very close.
Look at the camera, man. Just look focus on the camera.
Another Pikachu.
Another VMS Pikachu.
Put him in the sleeve.
Come on. Let's do it.
How many Pikachus have we got? It's like a Pikachu pack.
Are you ready?
Come on, man. We can't be duped here, like, bruh.
He's dying for that Charizard.
No,
Nothing?
nothing in there. Nothing.
Well, I wasn't even there. I was here. Oh, look at the camera, man.
I am, hey.
Watch the camera.
I am. You're just dead. You just keep swerving them like that. I don't know why.
There we go. Are you ready?
No. Nah, that's a reverse. Keep the other one, the last one. Yeah, it's a reverse. We got 2 packs left. 2 damn packs.
2 packs left. Let's see what happens. You ready? Focus on this.
Sweating, bro. Yeah, that's another way. Oh, I'm frustrated. Can it be a last pack magic? Can we have a last pack magic? I do not know. Because this is absolutely frustrating.
And it's not a Charizard, I saw it already.
If there's another Pikachu, I want to be. Oh,
Let's go, this is nice.
this is like a reverse. It's different to that one. It's the same one. Okay, we pulled a few cards here.
So that's the deck. How do you feel not putting a Charizard, man? Me, I'm a bit angry right now. We need the Charizard, and we're gonna hunt it down. Over and out.